extending the right to vote simply makes sense.
Here in California, we're the leader in our country with regards to voting rights, voter participation, and democracy at the ground level. However, to fully reintegrate people on parole in our communities, we must first restore their voting rights.
People on parole are citizens who contribute to our social and economic fabric, but they are denied the right to participate in our democracy.
Assembly Constitutional Amendment 6 is a true pathway to freedom and public safety. Freedom for individuals like myself who are on parole. For the last 5 years, I have been successfully on parole. Crime-free, employed, a college graduate, a community organizer, and volunteer, and a tax-paying citizen. And yet, I cannot vote.
When I went to prison and was incarcerated, I didn't lose my citizenship. So why should I lose my access to democracy simply because I'm on parole?
We are intentionally, conscientiously, and unabashedly building a more inclusive democracy right here in the state of California. So I'm proud to join the effort to place ACA6 on the California ballot, and in so doing, together we advance the causes of both justice and democracy. Thank you very much.